Hello students, welcome to Easy Classes YouTube channel. Today I will teach to draw a drawing of a Lewis dot structure or a representation of Lewis dot structure. Okay, before going to start Lewis dot structure, I would like to cover some basic concepts which will help you to understand this concept. Okay, the concept is nothing but first the electronic configuration. All of you are, I think you are familiar with the electronic configuration of the some basic atoms like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine and hydrogen. Okay, the atomic number of carbon, first I will tell about carbon. Okay, the atomic number of carbon is 6. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, this is 2 electrons, these are 4 electrons. These 4 electrons are nothing but the valence shell electrons. Okay, in Lewis dot structure the valence shell electrons are involved in the bonding procedure, means they will take these valence shell electrons to form a molecule. Means if for example CO2, CH4, in this compound the carbon will share these 4 electrons with another atom electrons and form the molecule with the help of following the octet rule. Okay, carbon will follow which rule? Octet rule. जो carbon the valence electrons are 4. Okay, next I will tell the valence electron of hydrogen. The valence electron of hydrogen, it is nothing but atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and the electronic configuration is 1 also. Okay, it has the valence shell as a 1. Now the valence electron of a hydrogen is 1. Next it is oxygen. Next I will tell about oxygen. See here, oxygen, it has a atomic number 8 and it has a valence electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay, 2p4, 4 4 4 8, 2 and 6. Now the oxygen, it has a valence electron as a 6. Okay, remember the carbon, it has valence electron 4 and hydrogen, it has valence electron 1 and oxygen, it has valence electron 6. Okay, now I will tell you to a dot structure representation for methane molecule. Okay, now I will tell for the dot structure representation for methane molecule. Okay, see here, methane, CH4. Okay, in CH4 there are 4 hydrogen atoms are there and 1 carbon atom is there. Okay, C, it is a central atom. Now H, these 4 are the hydrogen which are arranged in a corner of the center carbon atom. Okay, in first only I told that the carbon, it has a 4 valence electron and hydrogen, it has a 1 valence electron. That is nothing but these 4 electrons are represented as dotted. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and this hydrogen has a 1 electron, that is 1 1 1 1. Okay, I told you that carbon, it will follow octet rule, means the carbon will attend to forms of 8 electrons its surrounding. Okay, it try to take 4 more electrons to attain the stability. Okay, for stability it will take 4 electrons and it attain a octet state, and hydrogen, it follows a duplet rule. Okay, duplet rule means it must have 2 electrons to attain a stability, so it requires 1 more electrons to attain one duplet rule. Okay, here hydrogen is having 1 electron and here carbon, it has 4 electrons, means carbon still required 4 electrons to attain a octet rule, means 8 electrons, and hydrogen, it require 1 electrons to attain a duplet rule. So here C, it will take 1 more electron from hydrogen and 1 electron from its own atom. Okay, hydrogen 1 atom, carbon 1 atom, here carbon 1 atom, hydrogen 1 atom, and again see here 1 more atom from hydrogen. Means now initially told that hydrogen, it has 2 electrons, means it follow duplet rule, means these 2 electrons will help to attain stability for hydrogen and again these 2 electrons for hydrogen, these 2 electrons for hydrogen, these 2 electrons for hydrogen. But carbon required how many electrons for or to attain stability? 8 electrons. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now the carbon will take these 8 electrons and attain a stability and satisfy its octet rule. Okay, now the final conclusion is nothing but the Lewis dot structure of CH4 is C H H H and H, means these single bonds are nothing but from these lone pair of electrons. Each bond represent 2 electrons or 1 lone pair of electrons. If 2 bonds, there are 2 lone pair electrons. If 3 bonds, there are 3 lone pair of electrons. Okay, this is about the Lewis dot structure of CH4. Okay, now we will see the Lewis dot structure of CO2. Okay, CO2 we will see the Lewis dot structure of CO2. Okay, see here, this is CO2. Again I will tell, the carbon, it has a valence shell electron 4 and oxygen it has 6. Okay, oxygen has a lone pair valence shell electron as a 6. Okay, now see here, carbon 4 electrons C4 and oxygen it has 2 atoms of oxygen, 1 2, it has 6 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Initially I told that the carbon will forms octet rule or it follow octet rule, and oxygen also it attains stability by following the octet rule. Here carbon, it must take 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, oxygen required 2 more electrons to attain an octet rule. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if these 2 electrons are taken by this carbon, it will becomes 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And if this oxygen taken these 2 electrons to attain octet rule, again it will becomes 8 electrons. See here, I will write here neatly, C1 of oxygen, another atom oxygen has a 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and carbon has 4 electrons. Okay, these 2 electrons. Okay, I written here these 4 electrons from the carbon. These 4 electrons these 2 electrons will share with the oxygen and it forms a octet, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now carbon, it must have how many electrons to attain stability? 8 electrons. Now see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, from carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, it is also completed its octet rule. For oxygen also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is also completed octet rule, it is also completed its octet rule. Now I will draw a bond line structure. See here, C, it has a how many electrons? 4. Each lone pair of electrons forms a single bond. Initially I told that each pair of electrons form single bond. Again each pair of electrons form single bond. It is nothing but oxygen. This is also oxygen. These 2 lone pair of electrons forms again 2 bonds. Now the remaining electrons are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the bond line structure of CO2, and this is dot line structure of CO2. See here, again I will tell, this carbon, it has a 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. this is octet rule for oxygen, this is octet rule for oxygen, and this is octet rule for carbon. Okay, this it is the dot structure representation of CO2 and CH4. Okay, you can write the another molecules dot structure or representation on the base of this concept by taking the valence electrons and their octet rule. Octet rule, it is followed by all atoms, but only hydrogen it follows a duplet rule. Remember the one thing, that is hydrogen only follows duplet rule. Okay, thanks.